Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into the trading today. So I want to share with you why I said that it might take some time, but big profits or big moves are coming in the markets. Now look at this here. You'll notice this happens a lot of the time. So if I go back to say Bitcoin here for a minute, Bitcoin or the GPT trust, doesn't matter, right? Look what happens here. The market does this quite a bit. You'll notice that when the markets spend a lot of time just doing nothing, right? Just chopping up and down, up and down, up and down, not really trending up, not really trending down. And then finally you can see how out of this box we start to break up. And then we start to trend. Notice how we're in a box, not much going on, breakout. Now we're starting to trend, right? Up and down, and now we're starting to trend down. So looking at that, and you'll notice even gold even did this as well too back, back a while ago. So if you take everything off the screen here, look what we have here. So even back with gold, right? Gold did nothing for a long time. There's the box. Really not much going on. In fact, the box is probably a bit lower than that. So we have box through there. Okay, and then what happens is we're just chopping around, not much going on, and then we start to break out and we start to trend. Then we start to see a pretty big move to the upside. Okay, so this is what happened back here last time with gold. And you can see this is what happened with a lot of the mining stocks as well too. Not mining stocks, a lot of the tech stocks as well too. So if you look at Amazon as well, you can see that looking at Amazon, look what Amazon did back here. Okay, so what do we have? We have a box of where it just chops around. And then when we do start to break out, we know that we've had a lot of just sideways movement. This is fuel. This is what I call fuel in the markets. Fuel as in like when it's just going sideways, it's just resting and not much is going on. And then we get the strong breakout, and then we're likely to see a big strong breakout. So it's one of the reasons why I like Amazon right now, because we're going through this box again. So that's the reason why I'm pretty bullish on Amazon as well too. But moving over through this video, if you look at a lot of the techs, a lot of the gold mining stocks, and a lot of the tech stocks, you'll notice that that's what we've been doing pretty much for the last quite some time, right? Look what happened here. We had a big box through here, and now we've just broken out. We've come back down, and now we're just really not doing much. So you can see that we may be in the mix of developing. Actually, let's just go to the daily chart here for a minute. As you can see, we're in the middle of having, as you can see, just one big box through here, and not much going on, right? We're chopping up and down, up and down, up and down. Now, as you can see, when this is happening, it's very, very volatile, right? So on the short term, that's why it's always hard. I can do my short-term analysis update, but that's just me guessing. There's no one knows what's going to happen. I can use my technical analysis for a short-term move, but that's just me guessing, right? It's something I wouldn't trade. But long-term, as you can see, we're holding here. So if I go back to my weekly chart here for a minute on the, say, gold mining stocks, or even like the GDXJ as an example, you can see, look what's happened even on the GDXJ. All right, so we've had this sort of sideways movement through here. So if we can start to break out, there's the breakout. We did have this box through here, and we broke out, and now we had a bit of a pullback. So once we start to see this, and this may take another 6 months, but once we start to see the mining stocks start to break above its previous highs up here, then we know the trend is now likely to continue to the upside. And that's what I see happening with, even gold as well too, right? Gold, as you can see, as of late anyway, we can see that we're really in sort of just a bit of a box here, right? So you can see, let me just draw a bit of a box here. So you can see it's really just a bit of a box, had a lot of resistance where it is right now, coming back down. It could be a bit of a reversal head and shoulder formation forming here. But as you can see, right, we're in a bit of a box here, not really much going on. And that's where it gets very, very volatile, very, very choppy. We want to start to see this thing, especially if we can start to see this thing rally back up and break above and start to trend, then that'll be the sign for me that, okay, we're now getting out of this mess, which is just really just volatile sideways movement. And we're now likely to be continuing and to start a very nice move. And I have a 3,000 target minimum on gold. And so that's what I'm seeing through there. And that's why I say, even on looking on silver as well too. Silver's been definitely been developing a very, very nice box. Look at this beautiful box through here. Really not much going on. We definitely are squeezing up through here as well too when it comes to gold and silver. And so that's why I say that it may take some time, but once we do start to break out, and I don't know when that's going to be, the big move is going to come. And those who are patient within the mining sector, those who are patient, I truly do believe that the big move is coming. Okay, so, and a lot of people say, oh John, well, you know, if I'm just going to jump in, when it actually starts to move. Unfortunately, that's going to be too late, right? Because you look at like a lot of the markets right now as I'm doing this recording, and it's like, oh, I'm going to get into these stocks when they start moving, and before you know it, they're up 20%. So that's what I see there, guys, when it comes to the stock market itself, right? When it comes to silver, gold, when it comes to the mining stocks, it may take some time, but I truly believe big moves are coming just around the corner, especially with silver, and even a lot of the silver mining stocks as well too. You can see here a bit of a box going on right now along with the silver mining stocks. So that's the SiLJ, the SIL, same sort of thing. So a lot of boxes are happening right now. Once we do start to break out, then, you know, as I said before, it may take some time, but the big move is coming. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new Breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new Breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go do that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.